CanDo is a set of tools built on top of Basecamp, a blog, a knowledge base, bulk actions, Zoom meetings, and more. Things you can't do in Basecamp out of the box. All inside the Basecamp you already know and love. Let me walk you through.
Hey, I'm Jason from IQTHINK. We make CanDo for Basecamp. Today I'd like to show you how you can easily create dozens of cards in just a few seconds. Creating cards manually, it's a little painful. You click, type a title, add a description, set a due date, repeat that 50 times, and that's easily 30 minutes of clicking. With CanDo, you'll be able to do it in just a few seconds. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to log in to getcando.com. We're going to click on login. We're going to choose the project that we would like to work on. So we're going to work on one called IQ Playground, and we're going to find a tool called Mass Cards. We're going to go ahead and click on it. Here we have some instructions, and it's actually pretty simple. We're going to be copy and pasting, or you can type right in here the list of all the cards that you would like created. You can have simple mode or a more advanced mode from a spreadsheet. So let's look at this sample that I have right here. So we have a couple of cards, some things that need to get done, book a venue, order catering for 50 people, etc. And the normal way to do this on Basecamp would be going into the card table and adding it by one. With CanDo is much easier. So we're going to go ahead and just copy and paste. We can see right down here that these were created automatically. And now we're going to select the project. So we're going to choose the CanDo Playground. We're going to choose card table. So you choose the card table that you would like it to go. And in case you wanted to go to a different column, you can choose the column. We're just going to send it try-ish, and we're going to create. There we go. Cards are being created. We can jump to the card table and let's see what happened. There we go. All of the card tables were created instantly. Now let's say you have a little bit more information and you're working maybe in a spreadsheet. Same process. We're going to go ahead and select all the information. We can leave out the title on the top. We're going to go back to CanDo, same process, and we're going to just copy and paste. Because we pasted from a spreadsheet, this isn't smart enough to know the title, description, and the due date. You can change it if you need to. And now we're going to go ahead and also select the project, select the card table, column, and create. And there you go. Now you have all your 24 cards that would have taken quite some time to be able to add to the card table. You can actually find it on getcando.com, or you can find it right on Basecamp's website, right in their integrations for Basecamp and CanDo. Hope it was helpful. See you in the next one.